Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Christine. For those who don't know me, from Loice channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining this family, and for the returnees, I really appreciate your support. Thank you for always tuning in this channel. And if you are here for the first time and you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscription button down below and hit the bell so that when I post a new video, you will be notified of the same. So today guys, we are going to make supper together, and then we'll do cleaning later on. It's just a cozy night spent with me. So let's get into the video, and please, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up so that this channel can grow. Welcome to the video, and please enjoy. So we are going to make supper, and today we are going to have omena. We are going to have omena and sukuma wiki. For those who live in Kenya, know kale is called sukuma wiki. So my onions are ready, and let's just start cooking.
Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed I'll be forever.
I always deep fry a lot of omenas and keep them for use during the month. And when we're having omena for supper, I just take a few and make stew. So for my stew, I use nyanyas and green pepper. Then I use soy sauce and coconut cream. Yes, at times I use spices, but normally I rarely use spices. The spice that I normally love using is Royco cube and Royco powder itself. So let's get cooking. My tomatoes are ready, and my hoho is also ready. My green pepper, I mean. So I'm just going to put in omena, and then I'll put in coconut cream and soy sauce. I will put salt for taste, and I'll put a little bit of water, cover the omena, and let it cook for a few minutes.
You are, 'cause you're in my head, 'cause you're in my. Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head, 'cause you're in my. What you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my. What you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my. You left it off and craving. Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be a summer story where dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do.
After it had simmered, I finish up with my dania and switch off the light and just cover it. and let it just settle as I prepare my ugali. So we are going to leave ugali water to boil as we prepare duff. I want to make some donuts for breakfast.
You are, 'cause you're in my head, 'cause you're in my, I don't wanna let you go.
Tomorrow is school, so I have to make these donuts during the night so that in the morning my daughter goes to school very early. By 6:15 he's out, and the school is just like 5 minutes away, so they are always told that by 6:30 they should be seated. So for my donuts I will need yeast, just like the last time. I will need warm milk, 1 cup. I will need yeast, a tablespoon. I will need 1 egg. I will need 3¼ cups of flour. Then I will need margarine, sugar. That's it. I will mix the ingredients together before I add in my flour.
'Cause you're in my, had a feeling we had something. Could've seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my, what you think?
The duff is supposed to be kneaded very, very well. Please put it on a flat surface, on a clean flat surface, and knead it very well so that it can come out fine. You will know the duff is ready when you press a finger inside. It will rise. The hole will rise up. So after that, you will cover the duff in oil or margarine, and just cover it with a foil or a tablecloth, and let it settle for 1 hour.
Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my, what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my, what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my, you're the love that I've been craving.
As the duff settles, we will now make ugali. You can see my water is ready, and I'll just make ugali as faster as I can because the kids are hungry.
'Cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my, what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my, I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Your fingers tell me so, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my, had a feeling we had something. Could've seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't
I am serving the twins. You can see I'm putting the ugali, dividing the ugali in smaller pieces because they cannot do it by themselves. So this way it will cool up faster and they will be able to eat without complaining that the food is hot or they can't munch the ugali. By this time, we are just the four of us, and my nephew went to his parents' place, and hubby is still at work. He always comes back at around 11 p.m. So we are just the four of us, my first daughter and the twins. So let us enjoy this ugali.
Collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again.
I rarely wash utensils at night after supper because that is not my work. It's the work of my firstborn. She's called Nicolette. So it's her work washing utensils after supper. But today, I just told her to go shower and change the twins so that they can go to bed. It was getting late. It was around 9 p.m. And the following day, she was supposed to go to school. So I just had to release her to go and have some rest.
Fingers down me slow, cause you're in my head. You are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my, I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, cause you're in my head. You are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my head. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Your fingers tell me slow, cause you're in my head. You are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my.
Even now, you're coming up to me, fire lighting up the sky. Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Any time or place, watch 'em run away. I got none. I'll be standing on my own, never gonna take my throne. I got no rival. Watch 'em run away. I got no, I got no rival. Tell me now, what you gon' do? We can do this face to face. The reckoning is coming real soon. Doesn't matter what you say. Try to tell you this is my moment. Can't take mine 'cause I own it. Don't you know that I'm locked and unloaded? You're out of focus. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Any time or place, watch 'em run away. I got no. I'll be standing on my own, never gonna take my throne. I got no rival. Watch 'em run away. I got no, I got no rival.
I'm now cleaning actually. I'm now cleaning my cooker. I'm not thorough cleaning it. I'm just removing some food particles and some vapor from food oils that spilled when I was cooking. So I'm using normal dishwashing soap. You can use Vim. You can also use a mixture of vinegar and water. I also have a grease cleaner that I normally use, but today I just want to use this dishwashing soap to save on my cleaner.
Even now, you're coming up to me, fire lighting up the sky. Feel the ground shaking underneath. Trying to
Back to my dough, see how it has risen. So I just want to roll it into small donuts. So I don't have a donut cutter, but you will see how I will create my donuts. This is how you are supposed to do it when you don't have a donut cutter. You just press a finger in the middle and roll it over your one finger, and it will come out just well. You don't really need to struggle, or you don't need to miss making donuts when you don't have, because you just don't have a donut cutter. Just use simple means, improvise, and you'll be good to go.
tell me now what you gon' do. We can do this face to face. The reckoning is coming real soon. Doesn't matter what you say. Try to tell you this is my moment. Can't take mine 'cause I own it. Don't you know that I locked and unloaded?
I'm now done, and I'll just cover them up for 40 minutes and go ahead and clean my floor. So I don't want to wake up tomorrow and start cleaning the floor. So I just decided to do a minor cleaning here and there to remove dust. The carpet had already been swept, so I'm just passing the duster on areas that do not have carpets. Then I will fold the clothes, because we had washed the baby's clothes yesterday, and then they are supposed to be folded. I just don't want to wake up tomorrow doing 1, 2, 3 things, because I'll be home alone with the twins and I don't want to be overwhelmed with work. So I'll just finish up this and make donuts, then I will go to bed later.
Even now, you're coming up to me, fire lighting up the sky. Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Any time or place, watch 'em run away. I got none. I'll be standing on my own, never gonna take
Guys, I'm almost done, and now it's time to make the donuts. Please heat your oil, don't overheat it. Let it just heat well, and on low heat, fry your donuts each side. When one side is done, turn it on the other side and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then remove them and they will be done.
Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Any time or place, watch 'em run away. I got no. I'll be standing on my own. Never gonna take my phone. I got no rival. Watch 'em run away. I got no. I got no rival.
Guys, I just want to thank you so much for your support. And for those who joined me on this channel, thank you so much for my new subscribers. I have so many new subscribers. I really appreciate you. I thank you so much for just choosing this channel and joining our family. If you don't know me and you are new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Christine. I'm a mother of 3, almost turning 11 years old girl, and the twins who are now 3 years old. And I'm a wife and a business lady. So thank you so much. Let us finish up with these donuts and taste.
Coming up to me, fire lighting up the sky. Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive.
Guys, we are done, and you can see how my donuts came out. Thank you so much. Let me have a taste of this. See you in my next video. Bye.